first in this, I request all the cadet to please open your textbook. If you don't have the textbook, please have a notebook to copy down the important point. Point number 1, as you are seeing in the photograph, here that was the starting of the chapter. In that I told you to draw any human figure. So if you have drawn the human figure, very good. Those who have sent it to me on the WhatsApp, very good to them. So all the human figures are different from each other. And the reason why? There is an individual difference between each another. Your way of thinking is different, your dressing style is different, and so on. So cadets, the point is very important here of understanding diversity. Right? In that we had seen the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. So the Samir Ek and Samir Do story is clear to you. On page number 4, when we were doing the activity, fill out the following information about yourself. You have fill up that. So today in this class I will tell 2-3 cadets to read out that. Next, moving further, making friends. In the making friends story, all the cadets, as we have seen, there were the 2 boys were there, Samir Ek and Samir Do. One was going to the school and another was selling the newspaper on the traffic signal or the roadside. Next, we are on the page number 5. At the last point we had concluded our previous class. In that we were talking about, while Samir Ek is more familiar with the English, Samir Do speaks Hindi. Although they both are more at home in the different language. The language they still communicated with each other. They made the effort to do so because this was the important to them. So here cadets, Samir Ek and Samir Do also were having from the different background, as you are seeing in the last paragraph of page number 5. Next, here we have seen some aspects of diversity. So to have a more discussion on that, just moving to the page number 6, cadet, please observe the page number 6. The bluish box is there. So in that blue box, something is written. I am reading for you. Make a list of festivals that might have been celebrated by the 2 boys. So Samir Ek and Samir Do. As you have read the concept was speaking about Samir Ek and Samir Do. Who was Samir Ek and who was Samir Do? You have to bifurcate in your mind. Right? And aside Samir Ek, which festival he was celebrating, and Samir Do, which festival? You have to write in the textbook. Next, in addition to their diverse religious and cultural background, there are others ways in which the Samir Ek and Samir Do are different from each other. For example, while Samir Ek goes to school and Samir Do sells newspaper. Cadet, have attention here. The boy's photograph is placed holding the newspaper in the 2 hands and selling. That means Samir Do sells the newspaper and Samir Ek was going to the school. Next, there is a discussion point here. Why do you think that the Samir Do did not attend the school? Do you think it would have been easy for him to attend the school if he wanted to? In your opinion, it is fair situation that some child go to school and others don't. So it's a general answer. Nobody will think about that. The child is having the same age of you, is not going to the school. It's a bad one for that particular child. So Samir Do did not have the opportunity to attend school. And the proof is that he is standing on the traffic signal and selling the newspapers. Perhaps you have noticed that there are several people in the area. There are several people in area where you live who are poor, who don't have enough to eat or to wear or something, not even a place to live. So this difference is not the same as the one we have. Next, at the top of the paragraph, early, here we are talking not of differences but inequality. Inequality comes from when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other person. Good morning to you everyone. Please have a note here. यहाँ पर हम दो बच्चों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, समीर 1 और समीर 2, और दोनों बच्चों के अंदर कुछ डिफरेंसेस हैं. एक बच्चा सड़क पर खड़ा होकर न्यूज़पेपर बेचता है तो दूसरा स्कूल जा रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी उसके बाद में दोनों में दोस्ती हो जाती है. कुछ समय बाद समीर 2 वहाँ नहीं होता है, लेकिन समीर 1 आज भी स्कूल जा रहा है. The question arises here, the Sameer 2 is not going to the school because of their economical situation. He was not attending the school and that was very difficult for him because he was selling the newspaper to earn his livelihood. So cadets, please have attention here. We are talking about the topic inequality. Please underline the above line over here. Inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and the opportunities that are available to other person. Right? Next point, the caste system is another example of inequality. Next, according to this, the society was divided into the different groups depending upon the work that the people are doing and was supposed to remain in that group only. So if your parents were potter, you could only become a potter, nothing else. This system was considered the reversible, and because you were not supposed to change your profession, it was considered necessary for you to know anything more than that you needed in your profession. This creates a situation of inequality. You will read more about this other inequality in the following chapter. So cadets, I am explaining this paragraph for you. This paragraph is speaking the line of inequality and the caste system, where the person, if the person is potter, so surely that same occupation has to carry for their new generation. Suppose the parents are potter, so their children is going to only be the potter. That type of mentality or the inequalities were there earlier. But today we are seeing the stereotype behavior is not there. The inequality is not there. A cobbler's daughter is becoming a IS officer. So the marginalization and understanding diversity is clear to you. Next, what does diversity add to our lives? So the question is to you, what does the diversity add to our lives? So just like Sameer 1 and Sameer 2 become friends, you might have friends who are from the different from you. You have probably eaten different kinds of food in their home, celebrate different festival with them, tried out the clothes they wear, and they learn some different languages as well. I want to place my example in front of you. Right? When I was small, I was studying like you in 6th, 7th standard. So nearby my household, one of my friend was there. Right? And the name of my friend was Jijo Raju Varghese. And he was Catholic Christian. He was one of my best friend, and I used to go to his home. I used to play with him. He used to come at my home and all. So at that time, whenever the Christmas time used to be there, his mother used to give us cake, used to call us to in the celebration of Christmas. At that time, I used to enjoy their lot. I used to sing, I used to laugh, I used to dance, I used to enjoy the gifts which are hanging in the Christmas tree. As when I was having the Holi and Diwali festival. At the time I used to call Jijo and he used to come and we used to enjoy. So this is the example I am placing you in front of you so that you can understand what diversity add to our life. So cadets, all of you are also having n number of the examples and experience in your life where you have experienced that the diversity is adding something to your life. So make a list of the food that you have eaten from the different part of India, right? So as we are knowing about that, so as we are residing in the South India, here the idli, dosa, sambar, uttappa is the famous dish of the breakfast. Make a list of the languages beside your mother tongue that you can speak at 1 or 2 words. So this is your homework. The blue box is speaking that you have to make a list of that. Which food item you have eaten that belongs to the different part of the India. Cadet, please move to the page number 7. सभी बच्चे पेज नंबर 7 ओपन कीजिए अभी. Here you are observing. You probably like reading and hearing the story and the adventures about the different animals, people and even the ghost. On television one program is coming, right? Bhutiya Kahani or Adbhut Kahani. So children are more interested to see them and to watch them about the horrors, animals, Discovery Channel or so on. They are very much interested to read the different books. So here we are having the diversities in reading also. Perhaps you even enjoy making up story yourself. When you will all will report to the school, at the time I will allow the cadet those who are interested in storytelling. So few peoples are there, few children are very creative in nature. They are able to make their self story. So प्यारे बच्चों यहाँ पर ध्यान दीजिए कि आपको एक मैट उड़ता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है और मैट में एक बच्चा बैठा है, एक बूढ़ी लेडी दिखती है, उसके पीछे एक बंदर जैसा कुछ दिखाई देता है, वो बैठा हुआ है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर हम बात करें कि लोगों के पास में अलग अलग चॉइस हैं. किसी को स्टोरी बुक्स हॉरर पसंद है पढ़ने के लिए, एनिमल्स के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में और अलग अलग. नेक्स्ट, people who write stories get their idea from the sort of different places from the books and real life and the form of their imagination. जैसे एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं आपको सुनाना चाहूँगा. प्लीज सभी बच्चे ध्यान से सुनिए. एक बार एक साधु मीन्स ऋषि और सेज was sitting under the tree, right? एक बार की बात है, एक साधु एक ऋषि पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हुआ था, ध्यान में मग्न था. And that tree was a mango tree and lots of mangoes were hanging here and there. बहुत सारे आम लगे थे उस पेड़ में और बहुत सारे बच्चे पास के एक ग्राउंड में खेल रहे थे. अब कुछ बच्चों के मन में आया, इतने सारे अच्छे पके आम लगे हैं, क्यों ना इनको तोड़ा जाए. सो बच्चों ने खेलना छोड़कर पत्थर उठाकर आम के पेड़ पर फेंकना शुरू किया. Now the children, those who are playing on the ground nearby aside to the tree, they started to throw the stone on the tree to pluck the mangoes. और कुछ देर बाद क्या हुआ, बहुत सारे आम नीचे गिरने लगे. बच्चे पत्थर पे पत्थर फेंकते गए और आम गिरते गए. थोड़ी देर बाद एक बच्चे ने देखा कि रोने की आवाज आ रही है. After some time, one of the child has observed one crying sound is coming, and they started to observe here and there. They were not knowing that the sage was sitting that side of the tree, as they had visualized that the sage is crying because he got hurted because they had thrown stone on them. So प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ ध्यान देने वाली ये बात है, सेज रो रहा था, वो ऋषि रो रहा था, और वो इसलिए रो रहा था, अभी आपको पता चलेगा. सब बच्चे डरे हुए थे और वो उसके पास गए और उन्होंने उसको पूछा कि हम बहुत ही माफ़ी चाहते हैं आपसे, हमारी वजह से आपको चोट लगी, खून निकल रहा है, हमने पत्थर पेड़ पे फेंका, हमें पता नहीं था आप उसके पीछे बैठे हैं. So that all the children realized their fault, that they were not knowing that the sage was sitting behind the tree, and whatever the thorns they were throwing on that tree, that was hurting to the sage also. वो सेज खड़ा हुआ, उसने बच्चों को गले लगाया और बोला, मैं इसलिए नहीं रो रहा हूं, मैं इसलिए रो रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनिए कहानी, मैं इसलिए नहीं रो रहा हूं कि आपने पत्थर मारे, मैं इसलिए रो रहा हूं जैसे आपने पेड़ पर पत्थर फेंका तो पेड़ ने आम दिया, आप उसको खा रहे हैं, एंजॉय करें, लेकिन वही पत्थर मुझे आके लगा, लेकिन मेरे पास आपको देने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। सी द हाउ द ग्रेट सेज इज देयर, वो साधु कितना महान है, उसको चोट पहुंचने के बाद में भी फिर भी वो उन बच्चों के लिए अच्छा सोच रहा है और अच्छी सीख दे रहा है। सो प्यारे बच्चों, हम कहानी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। अंडरस्टैंडिंग डाइवर्सिटी। सम मे हैव लिव्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट close to animal and chosen to write of their fights and friendship. Others read real accounts of king and queen and wrote story about the love and the honor. Some dipped into their own childhood memory of the school and the friends and wrote stories of adventure. As I was telling my own story of my one of the friend Jijo Raju Varghese, and I was enjoying the celebration of Christmas. As number of the stories are there in your minds, right? Imagine if all the storytellers and the writers that you have heard and read so far were forced to live in the place where all wore the same two colors, red and white, ate same food, maybe the potatoes, took care of the same two animals, for example, deer and cat, and entertainment themselves played the snakes and ludo. What kind of stories do you think would they write? So dear cadet, have attention. अगर सभी स्टोरी टेलर्स को, स्टोरी राइटर को एक ऐसी जगह ले जाकर रखा जाए जहां पे उनको सिर्फ दो ही रंग के कपड़े पहनने, एक लाल और एक सफ़ेद, और खाने के लिए सबको पोटैटोस ही दिए जाएं, और उनको टेक केयर करना है सिर्फ दो ही एनिमल का, डियर और कैट का, और सिर्फ उनको खेलना है लूडो एंड स्नेक्स गेम, तो सोचो what kind of the stories they are going to write. So dear cadet, please enhance your imagination power. So for that, one additional box is given here, the blue box is there. Imagine that you are a writer or an artist who live in the place described above. Either write a short story or draw a picture of your life here. Do you think you would enjoy living in a place like this? List 5 different things that you would miss the most if you lived here. So that's an imaginary story is there. You have to write. If you don't wish, no need to write. So dear cadet, please quickly read out that. Next, diversity in India. Next, Mihir of class 6th A. Mihir of class 6th A. Yes, child, please read out the paragraph of diversity in India. Are you knowing where we are? Please read out the paragraph diversity in India. Page number 7.
Page number 7. Sir, book name what, sir?
India is a country of many diversity. It speaks different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. But actually, if you think about it, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways.
Okay, very good, Mihir. Stop now. Now, as Mihir he had read out the paragraph or diversity in India. All the cadets are observing in the textbook as well as seeing the e-book in that the diversity in India, right? India is a country of many diversity. That means we are speaking the different languages. We are enjoying the different kind of food. We are celebrating different festival, practicing different religion, custom and all. But actually, if you think about that, we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different way. So cadets, we are going to understand about the diversity of India. In India, we are having the 28 states, different languages, just like Punjabi, Haryanvi, Maharashtrian, Kannada, Assami, Bengali, and so on. We are celebrating different festivals. So in that festival, we are having the Ganesh Chaturthi, Dashera, Diwali, Eid, Ramzan, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Guru Purnima, and so on. Next point is that how do we explain diversity? The next point is that how do we explain diversity? A little more than 200 years ago or long before the train, aeroplane, bus or a car become a part of our lives. People travel from the part of the world to another in ship, on horses, on camel or on the foot. So here we are talking about that more than 200 years ago, long before the train, aeroplane, buses, cars become a part of our life. But before that, we were traveling by using the means of horse, camels, on foot and ship. Next, moving toward the next page, page number 8. Here you are observing the light bluish color and light pinkish color, few boxes are there. So cadets, please have a tick mark over there. That is your homework for today's. List at least 3 different ways in which the people in India do the following. One of the possible answer has been provided for you already. You have to read out that, and after that in the next class we are going to discuss in this class. Those who are having the textbook, you have to write the answer in the boxes only. Right? Next, often they went in a search of new lands or the new places to settle in, or people to trade. And because it took so long to travel, once they got to a place, people stayed there, often for a long time. Many kinds of the different experience they used to have. So we are going to have the explanation of the paragraph. The explanation is like that. People used to travel on the horses, camel or on the foot or on the ship. They used to search a new places for the trading purpose or to settle down their life. Because just like the natural calamities, there's the famines or the drought. Drought means the absence of water, there will be no water and they could not get enough food to eat. So some went in search of the work, others left there because of the war. Sometime as they begin to make their home in new places, people used to change a little at their time and manage to do the different thing. So their languages, food, music, religion become a mixture of old and new, and out of the intermixture of the culture came something new and different. Right? How it's happened? Because people who are migrating from one place to another, they are exchanging their culture. For the what reason they were moving? In search of the new land, in search for the new place, or for the trade, or the natural calamities just like drought or famine were making them to move from one place to another and settle down in a new place. And that was making them to learn the different language, food, music, religion, and that becomes a mixture of one or two another culture. The history of many places shows such how many different culture influence have helped to shape the life and the culture of there. And the reason become very diverse because of the unique histories. Similarly, diversity also comes about when a people adopt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For example, living near the sea is quite different from living in the mountainous area. Next, page number 8 is over and I had placed you the homework, right? So cadets, 1, 2, 3 important point I want to discuss here. The last 10-15 minutes is very important. Let's discuss that. Till then we are stopping here. So all the cadets, please be in the class only.